start with more rhythms because you guys did so well with the rhythms yesterday. I want to see if you can learn some new ones. Yeah, you ready? So let's start with everybody down. If this is the one you know. Ready? Knees. Belly. Good. Okay, are you ready for another one? Let's do another one. You were practicing in the night? What? What were you practicing?
In the night,
Okay, here comes a cool one. Oh, you're so good. Now we're going to do a tricky one. This is one with the shush. Ready? 1, 2, shh, go. So you're going to say the shush and no clap. Shh. Good. Good, Alaska. 1, 2, shh, go. Shh. 1, 2, shh, go. So, shh. Try the claps with us, Sophia. Good job. Okay, can we do one more before we get the playing going? Let's do the third one. This is a good one. Let's do this one with this. Good. Long, short, short, long, short, short. Down, wiggle, up, wiggle. Good, Sophia. Down, wiggle, up, wiggle. It's like you're scrubbing your arm. Down, wiggle, up, wiggle. Down, wiggle, up, wiggle. Good. Very nice one. Okay, are you ready for some playing? Good. Take a bow. Good. Very nice. Can you make the ready feet? Now take a step. Good, Lassa. Can you take a step too? Good. Now statue 1. How do you do that one? Hold it out, right? Hold this one. You go. No, playing feet still. Good. Good. And then turn the scroll to the left. Yeah. And then the button goes flying up until you can snuggle it. Good, Hadassah. That was almost perfect today. Good. Okay, are you ready? So the first part, when you hear the music, you have to be frozen, right?
Yeah.
Don't play until it's time to play. Are you frozen? Ready? Go. Freeze. Go. Snuggly fingers. Ready? Go. Good. Make sure you do the down bow first. That's nice. What a nice pinky. Good. And then, good. And that was perfect today. You remembered to do it under the bow arm. All right, ready? 1, 2. Now it's going to be A string time. This is the trickier one. So roll to A. A string. Good freezing. Good. Freeze. Oh, so after the everybody. Yeah, and then, okay, now this time E and A. Don't forget to freeze, ready? Everybody down, up, freeze, roll. Freeze, roll. Freeze, roll. Freeze, roll. Freeze, roll. Fly away. Take a bow. Woo! Excellent job. Okay, so now I was thinking today we should try a couple of the tricky rhythms, yeah?
tricky.
So let's see. Sophia, I'll let you lead, but you have to let me help this time, okay? Can you let me be your helper? We're gonna do chocolate strawberry. That sounds good, right? Good. Now we know it. So Sophia, you go first, and Hadassah, you copy. You standing? Can you do chocolate strawberry? Ready? Play. Yes. Now ready? Hadassah. Chocolate strawberry. Sophia, go. Chocolate strawberry. Good. So Hadassah, go. Good. Now roll to the D. Chocolate strawberry. Ready? Uh-oh, so check everything here. D is a hard one. You want A over there. Before you go, get ready. Now you can see it. Now go. Yeah, and now I'll think about chocolate strawberry. This one's kind of smooth. Chocolate strawberry. Imagine creamy. Yes, that was a good one. Okay, are you ready? Sit in by yourself. What are you doing, Sophia?
I'm just gonna put my
Don't put anything away right now, okay? We're gonna stay over here. No, don't put your run away. We're still going. We still have more songs to do.
I want to stop.
No, you're doing so great. We're gonna take a rest right now. Don't worry. We're gonna take a rest and do these. All right, you ready? Green cards. Let's see if we can do it. Ready? Go.
T.
Good. Ta. Good. T. Ta.
Oh,
T.
Sophia's favorite.
Ta.
Ta.
Ta. Good. Ta. Ta.
There's only one T.
You're right. Ta. What's this one? Ta. That's right. See? Two tas at the beginning and the end. Ready, go. T. Very good. Ta. T. Good. Ready, go. Ta. Uh-oh, not ta. Ta. Ready, go. Ta. Now here's one only for you, Sophia. Ready? Not shush, but ta. What's that one? Good, you did it. No shushes in that one. All right, yours. Excellent. One more, Sophia. No, what's this one? T again. Good. Good job. All right, go, Hadassah. Excellent. All right, are you ready for zoo song? Who's ready for zoo song? All right, jump up tall.
Me.
You're ready.
I really like it.
Woohoo zoo. Zoo woohoo.
Zoo.
Zoo woohoo. Okay, so get ready first. Make sure. Look, you see how Hadassah's checking your bow hold? She's a smarty party. You gotta check your bow hold before you do your song, right?
Can I have my thing?
You don't need rosin now. We already did rosin. Look, Hadassah's gonna be ready, waiting for you for Woohoo Zoo. Okay, ready? Good. Open. Nice. Okay, good. Your rosins. Go. Get your bowl. Oops, I meant to take the rosin. I'm gonna give you the bow. Good. All right, look, Hadassah's ready. Are you ready? I see your bump. That's a good bump. We're gonna make the bump on the clip. That's right. You like my silly sounds? All right, ready. Hadassah's being so patient. You gotta let her go. Woohoo zoo. Ready? So it's gonna be E for elephant. Good. Ready? Listen and go. for a new one?
Yes.
This one is called Super Listener.
Super listen.
That means you have to listen and you copy. So first it's a little jazzy. D string. This is D string. Yeah, ready? It's gonna be the same one again. This is D string. Good. I'll play this one with you too. Everybody, A, A. Everybody, A, A. Good. Now this one's gonna be A again, I think. Good waiting, Sophia. Now it's D. D again. Now this is gonna be a fun part. Get ready to pluck. That's right, Sophia. Good. Good, Anasa. That's right. Pluck, pluck, pluck. That was only your first time. You were awesome. Okay, are you ready for this one?
What's it called?
This one's called Open String Rap.
Violin strings from high to low. Let me tell you how they go.
First there's E, then A, then G.
Way down low, you'll find the G.
E, A, D, G. Way down low, you'll find the G. Play each string from high to low. Start with E. Ready?
You go.
Go. From low to high, start with G and reach for the sky. That's kind of funny feeling, isn't it? So that's a tricky one because it goes so fast. So watch my bow. I do down on E, then up, then down, then up. You gonna try it, Elsa? So you don't have to hook all the bows together. That's right. Down, then up. Good. Then down.
My hand's hot.
You did it. Do you want to try, Sophia?
My hand's hot.
Your hand hurts? Okay, take a stretch. Ready? We'll do a little stretch for all of us now. Good, that was good. All right, so sit down and show me. We're gonna do violin hand, bow hand game. Ready? Take a seat, Sophia. Shake, shake. Good. And which one is your violin hand? Which one holds the violin? Good. What about you, Sophia? Which one's your violin? Good. Now put your violin hand on your head. No, this one, yeah. Put your bow hand on your chin. Put your violin hand on your tummy. Put your bow hand on the ground. Oh! Bow hand, violin hand is on your tummy, bow hand is on the ground. Good. Bow hand on your cheek. Bow hand. Right? Violin hand on your tummy, bow hand on your cheek. Not this one, this one. Because we are opposites. Yeah, bravo! You see? Good job, Lassa. All right, so tell me, what sound do you hear? Is it G, D, A, or E? E.
E. G.
G.
G. C.
C? No, we don't have a C
D?
string.
D.
Listen again. Which string is that, you think? La, 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 la.
A.
Yeah, it is A. This is A. What about this one? Sorry, I got an extra one in there. The D. That's right. D. That's right. Okay, now, are you ready to play another song? Did you get enough rest? Let's do the rhythm train. This rhythm train is a good one. Okay, I'll play it with you. Let's get ready. You're gonna hear the train. Get ready, stand up tall. Get your bow. done it. That's okay. You're getting tired. You did a good job. You both did a
Can
good
I do
job.
mine?
Huh?
Can I do mine?
Do yours what? You want to do one more?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna stop.
Okay, why did you stop? You have enough rosin there already. All right, stand up tall. We'll do it one more time. You want to do it with us, Alasa? You can.
Can I just do?
Give me a high five. Good job.
Can I do?
Yeah, we'll do it one more time. Don't worry. Oh, you want to do that one? You want to do that one with us, Alasa? That's a good one to end. We'll do that one at the end, okay? Ready? Everybody, A, A. Everybody, D, D. Everybody, A, A. On the board, on the D. On the board, on the A. Good. Now the D again. On the board, on the D. On the board, on the A. Good. That was with the beat, Sophia. Let's see what this one's next. Can you copy? Train whistle, train whistle. That's good. Now on the A. Run, bunny, run, bunny. Run, bunny, run, bunny. Run, bunny, run, bunny. You did it! Take it back. Okay, ready for the last one? Strumming song. Sophia wants to do the strumming one.
Okay, so first it's Sophia back.
Let's do it all together, then we're gonna finish. So you guys are getting tired. You're doing a good job. All right, ready? Violin's up. Strumming is ready. Oops. Are you ready, Sos? Yeah, push, push. This. Okay, go. Get ready, get ready. Hurry, hurry. Violin. Don't step on your bum. Ready? Go. Good. You're with me. Great. Keep watching, Sophia. Very nice, Alasa.
Like yoga.
Like yoga? Does it sound like yoga? Think about. Yay! Good job, guys. All right, pack.